Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Office of the Senior Dairy Officer West Janta Hills celebrates National Milk Day. Coke industry closed down by Environment Coordination Committee of Ilaka Sutanga along with West Janta Hills District Police. The problem of Martin rubbish dumping ground is still alive, says Singh Samla Maulai Pullun. And let's see thank yous. Judicial inquiry go on, says Singh Samla Maulai Pullun. And now the news in detail. The Office of the Senior Dairy Officer West Janta Hills celebrated the National Milk Day at its dairy compound Muralong, in which local MLA Wailat Miki Shilla attended the program as the chief guest. Speaking on the importance and essential benefit of milk consumption in a person's life, Wailat Miki said despite being a source of nutrition, milk and dairy products are also a means of livelihood. He also apprised the farmer of the need to rear more cattle to be able to produce more quantity of milk. P.K. Boro, Additional Deputy Commissioner Joai, in his short speech encouraged and appealed to all the entrepreneurs to be serious and to engage themselves on producing more milk for economic development, as milk has become an essential part of our food.
Opportunity to ever come yongi. Tengah jam step man wi le bru yang I chimmi kre gi kam. Kita gi bru ko na bar ni gi tuan gi state le ni gi wan bi chat bru. Mbem gi wan chini. Le wan gi chini datang ki kre mi yok yu bru gi. Tengah gi jing ro go kru. Ye pi wa pi to man pi gi wi. Yu da wan chmat. Nei benta. Wo chim ye gi kam. Tang wa han kat te le. Wa phanai pi. Am man kat te. Kat kam ge jing em kam yong I. Tang chipawa le ku yi pendap ye jing em kam yi ge du thapok district yong I. Nang em kam so I chibun. Tani te dau na pen tu I pi lo nang yai pen khan so cho pi. Kam wa ne liang ge sarkar le kam de sniao pi I ne liang ge state. Distang ye ge Meghalaya Milk Mission. How ge ni ge mission ke wa ne ge liang ge government to provide pay pi ge interest free loan. Ku yi pi chim ye gi interest ku age ki loan ku claim ge interest. Ku ke pi ge masi ku pen biang pi ge jing em kam ge yong pi. Ta sniao phao chim ye ge ni ge kabu. Te pen ket em kam hok. Te ju I por le di ba de yu I wa ka ni ka plan ge yong I go em po juai ni. Di ba kat wa dang mi is ni nang he te thao yu I wa em ge le per di. Ka sor juai te em yi I u liu extend le ni pen he di ka. Ni te dia ni te dau ni liang yong state da chna go skwi kam gani ge unit ko thmi hai tai hai chnong mukla dau da kat ka jing chna to man go dus dang ka te to national project for dairy development ko te go dus dang ni jing chna ni ben tau pen sup ko yo trip ya kani hidut yong te ju ipor la nga e jing ro bu kro ye phi ki nong ri masi ki nong supply dot kam jo lai department hi wa do ne ge sngi Njo em yo sniawi. Le nim jam yo complaini. Wa em kata ka adulteration. Le ne kata ka jing pengkle go bon. Ado ne ke sni njo em yo ikam kite complain. Te ka te to lengba ka jing tre hok ka jing tre bha ka yong pi. Tengah e ka jing ro ukro ya ka jing le ka jing tre bha ka yong pi. Ne ba kam om man ne pi e pi. Man pi kite ki wi. Tua e kata ka service ka yong pi ne benta wo yo I ya ka te ka met ka phat wo biang rung kan ka chat kana te ai ni po chi buon ki skim ti ya ran ko ya I bigas I da pens nyao I happy kam tam ya ki waria ki masih Boda yo iki hati Yo nang pendi Cibun ki jingri Nakadut Budi bentoy yo I Berklan koya kamek kapat yo I Mandoka jindi jimba Wakapan Ben mi ko
The Environment Coordination Committee of Ilaka Sutanga along with the police of East Janta Hills district yesterday went to close down the coke industry at So Kilo in Janta Hills for operating without permission. The coke industry that was closed down belongs to MSRS Ritro. It was closed down because it did not receive the consent to establish and consent to operate from the state government.
Ustrop di lagi arah mah? Hah? Ustrop di hina salah? Hah? Itu lene pregato. Jauh pele dah tu.
Sing Samla Maulai Pulun today said that the problem of Martin rubbish dumping ground at Maulai Mauyong is still alive with their organization. Speaking to the media after submitting the memorandum to the Chief Minister Conrad Gesangma, one of the leaders of the organization said the state government has set up a committee in this regard and it is hopeful that something positive will come out from it.
Urban Affairs Minister to Port Lawan Banyu or Lawan Hiban Sakida Yakaching bagi mulai kimat lembaga Martin. Kani kamat ngan itu IP ke government lembaga Urban Affairs Department. Bila penmi ya notification kepala approve the governor bakal dan ke komiti ke HBD berkani. Kani ke komiti ke ke Martin Site Monitoring Committee ke bakal ya minister yang tadi nakalian ke Urban, nakalian ke municipal, kasang samla mulai Pulun dekat bagi niki rang baksyang kita hak pok melakukan berbar.
Dear viewers, let us now take a short break. Welcome back. We'll continue with the remaining news. Sing Samla Maulai Pulun today said that it expects Meghalaya Chief Minister to give a Christmas gift to the people of Maulai by shifting CRPF camp from Maulai Bridge in Shillong. Speaking to the media after submitting the memorandum, one of the leaders of the organization informed that the state government has formed a committee and it has identified 2 to 4 locations to shift the CRPF camp. These leaders also informed that the Chief Minister has told them that shifting of CRPF from the present location will be done gradually.
Pihak itu hatmatrik itu pernah Agus, ataupun bagi delegation ataupun rekat bagi kedua Menghalang Fair dan Shillong ataupun kawin kipat itu kedai nak bertaka berteriak nak ya kenika CRPF nak pemulai nama tahu kecing tinggi keram dia ataupun rumah kita CRPF mulai kedai kawin kita dapat kebajumi kecing keluar. te kejingwan kejungi mentah nomor satu kupur siam la ai ka asran ba weng no te ka bangi wan bermain nak ni mentah ngiwan ban pressure yu siam ba weng no ya ka ni ka CRPF kam ni ko mulai nomor ba kejingnya kade halo ta kanang rim ka bangang ala keren ti mene te ka bami na ka kejinglan kejing siam on ba kani ka kam mentah kala nak proses kidan lai sau jaka ki ba kila ada ban identify de shifting hi kan dei hadim gla dep ban radap finalize ke jaka de hadim nang takit sepen kriya ya katik CRPF kam ko mulai ngila pressure ke jisia UCM ba lakum nuru udi ban ai Christmas gift ke mulai ada ke ban kriya ya ka CRPF kam nang kin ko mulai jungi de henry kai ke ba pular sengi ko long ba wa kha ndam la ban le sen le lun henry long ka jingkular na kalian ke CRPF kam kila keluar ban mi na laki kan kandar ke jimi kalau bawa ke balok kendiat balong dikena hi long pana kan ni ke CRPF kam long batang sulang setting ya kecaka ke jimi dah pun ko mulai kan ni ke remain ke jimi na kalian ke sama pulun apa dia kan ni ke CRPF kam ko mulai kata hi ke diwat ke jimi
Singh Samla Maulai Pulun today said the judicial inquiry relating to the killing of surrendered Nyothrep National Liberation Council HNLC should be allowed to go on. Speaking to the media members of the organisation, the family members of Thank You also were of the opinion that the judicial probe should be allowed to continue. The people of Maulai have not forgotten this issue relating to the killing of surrendered HNLC. See Thank You, but we should also respect the sentiments of the family members, Singh Samla Maulai Pulun added.
Abidi bagani ka case jong iba serius ya kani ka mat ani tu ipi kani ka dangdon be ko ka mat ko ka mensiam bat ka jimut jipet khat jong ipai pa nang song jong mulai bat kumju hi jong ka pri nyutrap ibro kowe kani tu ipi abidi bagani ka case bakaladan ka jing ngilad nakalian ka jongi ngiladan ka jing kendua bat ka yeng ka sam jong iba serius dan nakalian jong ka yeng ka sam hi ngilaya syai baha bat ka yeng ka sam nakalian sasamplun ngisu support be ya ka ba ka yeng ka ya nanti abidi bagani ka case abidi bagani ka case kani tu ipi kani kadang mentah ka judicial inquiry ke independent judicial inquiry de ha ba kadang ya ke independent judicial inquiry in 4 la ban keren ai ba ka inquiry demar ba kani ka long ba nakalian jong ka yeng ru la ong ba in ai ba ka kani ka inquiry kin pendap swa ta hadian nang ta kin sei pek ka ba mi nang ta ginum tem tamalang nakalian jong ka yeng kila dap ong bangin up ya karai jong kani ka judicial inquiry kata ka de ka ba ka bangin ngiladon ke jing kendo bat nakalian ke jong iru bat kipai ba nang sok jong jela ke di ban sai kani ba ka jing bang ke jing kenja no kamri ba ka kenja henry ka de bangi up ya ke inquiry naman ngihap ban suthu ngihap ya kat ba ka yeng imla ban bypass mengi ya ka yeng jong ki kat ba kadang dan ha judicial inquiry kadang ha independent inquiry ta kamut kani kemban na ka yeng kila ai ka kila keren changi bangin up ya kani ke judicial inquiry tengiru ngi up lang ya kata.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.